Protein energy malnutritions. Now, these are the two types of protein energy malnutritions. First, we're going to discuss about kwashiorkor. So, kwashiorkor is caused by a lack of protein in the diet, most common in children under 2 years old. It is often caused by poverty as high protein foods tend to be more expensive. Children suffering from kwashiorkor are always underweight for their age, but they often have a swollen abdomen, as you can see in the picture, as their diet may contain a lot of carbohydrates. Then we have marasmus. So, the most severe form of protein energy malnutrition, where there is a lack of both protein and energy in the diet. People suffering from this have a much lower body weight than normal and look emaciated.